Hey guys, first of all, I'm sorry for all the noise. I don't have a nice shop inside to work inside, so I have to work outside, and there's a road just 20 meters that way, and neighbors are all going crazy about using their weed whackers and stuff, and you can hear that. I'm sorry about that. I just thought I'd make a quick little video on a snowblower that I picked up this spring. It's about time to get it going again. I can't really work on anything right now. I have a wrenched back. The doctors are saying that's a slip disc, and I'm gonna have to get something done to that. Waiting on an MRI to have it checked out. Sorry about the noise, guys, I really am. Right next to me here is this Stiga snow thrower or snow blower. It's a Snow King, I believe, or Duo, Snow Master actually, with a Tecumseh engine. Now Stigas are all over the place in Norway. Stiga is one of the biggest brands here when it comes to snow blowers. Stiga, Honda, Yamaha, all that kind of thing. But Tecumseh engines are not usual or not normal here in Norway. You don't see a lot of Tecumseh engines. Now this is a Tecumseh engine. I'm not really sure about how big it is. It's a Snow King engine, probably something like 6.5 horsepower or something. I'm gonna have to do some work on that to just clean the carb and all that sort of stuff. But I'm just gonna show you one little thing. I picked this up for free, or paid a couple of hundred kroners for it. But what I found when I got it home, I'm gonna show you right now. Just let me just zoom in the camera here a little bit. Can you see something funky here? Let me zoom in just a little bit more. That, my dear friends, is a wood screw and some aviation or some sort of wire trying to hold it on. And if you just look here on the other side, it's a grade 5 or grade 8 bolt just having on. Now let me just say, let's say you're in the winter time, you're out blowing snow and you're halfway done with your driveway or whatever, and you break a bolt. Now it is perfectly fine to put in, say, a bolt just like that one, to just get things done so you can get out and buy new. But please, 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 please exchange that homemade bolt for a proper shear pin or shear bolt. I'm going to show you one now. One like this. Just get it to focus a little bit. This is a proper shear pin for this. It's a nylon lock nut, and you can see that this is meant to break in 2 places if it has to, and this one is the proper thing to use for a snowblower. Make sure to replace it as soon as you can, because if not, then the gearbox right there is gonna break. If you hit something hard and you have grade 5 or grade 8 bolts or a wood screw or whatever, it's perfectly fine in an emergency case, but please, please, please don't use them all the time. You really need to have proper shear pins or shear bolts in order to not break the gearbox. This one cost me 16 kroners, and that gearbox would cost me in the thousands if I had to replace it or rebuild it. So make sure that you buy proper shear pins, make sure that you have the proper shear pin for your snowblower, and exchange it as soon as you can. Now guys, I am going to make a lot more videos in the coming future. Just need to get my back sorted out. But thank you for watching my videos. If you want, follow me on social media. The links are down below in the video description. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.